If you think fiber is just for keeping your bathroom routine on track, think again. What if I told you that just 5 simple everyday foods can turn your gut into a powerhouse, boost your energy, and even support your weight and immunity? Most people completely ignore them, and that's costing them energy, focus, and health. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to eat and how fiber maxing could transform your health after 40, 50, or even 60. Hi, I'm Dr. William Lee from Care on Health, and in this video, we're diving into the nutrient most people overlook, fiber. Fiber can supercharge your gut health, give you steady energy, and even help you feel younger. By the end, you'll know 5 fiber-packed foods you can start eating today and why they actually work. Fiber does more than just help digestion. Think of it as a super broom for your digestive system. It sweeps away the sluggishness, balances your blood sugar, and fuels your energy. Most people feel bloated, tired, or low on energy, but the solution might literally be on your plate. First up, beans and lentils. Tiny fiber bombs packed with protein. They're not just for chili night. Add them to soups, salads, or even a quick stir fry, and you've got gut-friendly, energy-boosting meals in minutes. Next, oats. Soluble fiber in oats helps control blood sugar, keeps you full, and supports heart health. Try overnight oats with fruits in the morning. The fiber gives your body a slow, steady energy boost that coffee can't match. Fruits are next. Apples, berries, and pears are not only rich in vitamins and antioxidants, they're loaded with fiber too. Always eat them with the skin for maximum benefit.